In my previous video I showed you that I had accidentally broken one of the lock rings on my gimbal from Feiyutech. It was a G6 Plus gimbal, and I want to give you a heads up that I have now got it back from service from Feiyutech, and it works perfectly. And I should be honest to say that I did actually get this gimbal back in February. I just really haven't had the time to update you on this. But what I can say is that Feiyutech repaired it for free because it was under their warranty. But I had to pay the shipping to the repair center, which was in the UK, and I live in Sweden. So that was maybe 20 bucks or so, which I really didn't feel that I should have to pay. I would also consider it a design flaw that the knob rings or lock rings can get stuck so easily, and it was also featured on Feiyutech's most frequently asked questions, so I guess I'm not the only one having this problem. But my overall customer experience is still good. Feiyutech did solve this for me. And even if it did take quite a while to repair it, I believe that can be due to the lockdown in the UK, and also that the shipping was slower during that time. It was the end of last year. So I can't really say much about that. But what I can say is that while I had this gimbal on service, I did also buy a Feiyutech G6 Max. So I can now make a comparison between the G6 Plus and the G6 Max to find out which one is the best. So stay tuned for that upcoming video and subscribe if you really don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.